OneLogix is a transport and logistics business with a focus on commercial vehicle delivery. It has a market cap of 869.7 million rand, price to earnings ratio of 11.6, dividend yield here of 2.7%. Andrew, OneLogix. Ian Lawrence. Is Ian Lawrence still there?
Yes, Ian Lawrence is still there. And he's done a absolutely brilliant job with this business. When you see where it's come from, it was originally the Postnet business. I think that was one of their first assets that they owned, and then they've built it up from the inside out. So vehicle deliveries is now their big business, and unfortunately we know what's happened to new car sales over the last few years. So that's hurt them. They've got a strategic asset down in Pietermaritzburg called OneLogix. It's a property. It's essentially a car park. It sits outside the Rust Belt, where logistics companies can park cars that have come in through the port in Durban and then transport them up to Joburg from there. Other logistics businesses can use that property, I think, which is a great asset for them. There's a Transnet siding there as well, which they're busy negotiating a deal with Transnet to transport vehicles that way. So I think there are some attractive things on the horizon here. Obviously, it's a very small company, small to micro cap, but it's got a fantastic management team.
Yeah, I think that's fair and correctly stated. Postnet, for the record, was sold to an international player in that kind of game, so that's all good and well. So that reflects the maturity and discipline to work the portfolio. I think South Africa's gone from being a country where sort of manufacturing and basic mining happen to a company, or a country rather, where it's really about trade and import and distribution, and therefore the Durban corridor remains very important. Why not? I'm going to go hot on this one.
I know you're going to give it a hot. You see, I actually am what a fortune teller today. I know exactly what you're going to say before you say it.
All right, so we're running a little bit tight of time.
On OneLogix. I was going to say OneLogix.